Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Today let's look at a brand new 230 Cruiser by Harris. This Harris 230 Cruiser is powered by a Mercury 150 4-stroke, has a C-Star hydraulic steering, 4-step stainless steel boarding ladder, has an extended swim deck in the back, plenty of cup holders. You have 4 on each side, port and starboard side. Twin captain chairs on this particular unit have the high back, very comfortable, recline, and also transverse forward and reverse. You've got a JL audio system with a digital depth gauge, power trim indicator, fuel gauge. Storage underneath this locker as far as storage underneath all of the seats. Also has a large in-floor ski locker. More cup holders in the front. The windshield is not on this unit yet, but there will be a windshield that'll cover this area. This is the 2020 Harris 230 Cruiser. Look forward to having you come by and take a look. If you'd like to take a look at this 230 Cruiser by Harris, come by MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168.